Basically, we would recommend a show like this compared to participating in IIJS. The reason behind is it's completely focused for machineries. So the total crowd which we are getting over here is a quality crowd who are looking forward with respect to the machinery department and not for the jewelry department. So this sort of stuff is much more preferred. But the only issue is with the location, like it's a bit out of the city. Because of which the footfall is like it is obviously on a higher side, but comparatively it can be on much higher side if it is kept in some other cities like Mumbai or somewhere. But comparatively overall the footfall is good and all the crowd is a quality crowd.
So you think this kind of a show, rather IGGME, would possibly is only to grow?
Maybe actually this thing, like we gave few suggestions to the councils for the same, like last year also we gave the suggestions for it, like compared to IIJS where there are number of stalls is less comparatively for machinery pavilion. Over here the number of stalls are more, the crowd is more genuine because they are focused that they are going to visit just for machinery department. So some people who are just from jewelry industry, who are just wholesalers or retailers who know nothing about machine, they do visit in IIJS, but that's not the case over here. So the jewelry manufacturers who are the target audience for our machinery department pavilion people are the crowd over here, which is a very good thing for us.
Sir, SRS Jewelcon has been a leader in products like Ultracam, 3D printers or maybe electropolishing products. Sir, tell us something about your company, a little bit about your products, and maybe I'll come back once again with a different question on the future plans for the company. Tell us something about your company.
Like as people know from the industry, SRS Jewelcon always try to give something new or something different, which other people are not getting it from an Indian vendor. As you know, most of our products are made in India. This time we have launched a 3D printer which is based on DLP technology, and it's completely made in India. Like as you can see, we have kept the machine for live demo over here. This is one of the fastest 3D printer compared to all the other 3D printers, or you can say the CAM machines available in the market. With respect to quality, this is better comparatively. With respect to speed, this is better comparatively. With respect to rate, this is much better comparatively, with no maintenance and very less running cost of it. So that's what we have developed, and that's what we have kept for demo. Like we believe that action sounds louder than words. So instead of saying, we have directly kept the machine for demo, and we invite our clients to bring their files so that we can print it in front of them and show them the results, that how the machine works. Like people, this was the mentality a few years ago, that Indian products are not at par compared to Germans or other countries' product. Just we want to prove them wrong, that yeah, the quality is available in India as well. You just have to target the right person to procure the product from. So that's what we have done, that's what we are doing, and that's what we will keep on doing in future.
Sir, tell us something about maybe a couple of points on a comparative analysis of this product as compared to other products available now in the market.
There are many actually, but I'll focus on few top points, like the speed. The speed is almost 8 to 10 times faster than other machines available in market. The speed approximately is 40 mm per hour. In other machines, like few German machines, few US machines, it's approximately 5 to 6 mm per hour. The accuracy, few machines are not guaranteeing for the accuracy below 0.2 mm. We have extracted pieces in 0.15 mm as well. Other machines, most of the other foreign machines, you need to calibrate the machine after extracting each and every pieces from the machine. We have kept sensors inside which will automatically calibrate, so no need to calibrate the machine each and every time. All the other foreign machines have RFID filters kept inside, because of which you have to use theirs and only their raw materials to run their machine. Over here we have kept no RFIDs. You can use my raw materials. If you are getting better raw materials from some other companies, you can use it, you have freedom for that. Similarly, the speed, the platform size, the accuracy, and the most important part is the consistency. Like you extract a piece, suppose the piece is a failure, at the same parameter you extract another piece, the pieces will be failed from the same way where it was failed earlier. So that's how precise the machine is. The machine is repeating its mistakes as well, which is the most difficult part for any of the machines to repeat it. So as far as accuracy is concerned, it is one of the most accurate. As far as precision is concerned, it is one of the most precise. As far as rates are concerned, it is the best at present. There are many other CAM machines in this exhibition itself, but comparatively rate wise, if you compare apple to apple, ours is the most cheapest and the best machine available over here. Cost effective, cost efficient, productive, and there are many such advantages. Like I explained you in a very short way, but there are many advantages comparatively.
In discussion with Mr. Shankesh, no wonder India Gem and Jewelry Machinery Expo is completely a make in India kind of a platform. Companies like SRS Jewelcon believing in the Indian manufacturing side of the gem and jewelry sector for the machinery. Thank you so much. Thank you.